I'm going to show you how to create a professional website with Notion. So let's get started. So all you have to do, of course, is you have to open a web browser and then type notion.so. And this is the interface of Notion, where you can explore and know more about Notion by scrolling down. You can download this for Mac OS or download this for Windows. Now you can also log in if you have an account, or if you don't have one, then you have to click this Get Notion for free. All you have to do is to enter a valid email address and password. Go to your email address and then confirm, and that's it. So this is Notion, and it's very easy to use. What you're going to do is to simply scroll down and go to templates. If you tap this arrow facing down, you can see here templates for work, school, personal, projects, and others. So if you want to search for templates, or if you want to create a template for your website or create a professional website, all you have to do is to select from any templates here, and then you can start by this. You can see the preview, and once you're okay with that, then you have to click this Get Template. Now, if you want to see, or if you want to, edit a little bit, okay, you just have to go to Featured Templates here and Notion. So you have to select a template that, of course, for a fee, because most of the templates here are not for a fee. So if you look for that template, then all you have to do is to edit that. Now, if you can see that template here, or if you want to see more templates to use for your Notion, then you can go to the site super/so templates. Okay, here all you have to do is to tap this Get Started for Free. Then you can use some of the templates here in super.so templates. Okay, so of course you have to look for the template that is for free. For example, you want to use this one. When you tap this template and you see this how to use this template, it will take you directly to the instruction on how are you going to use this template. Okay, but most of the cases, if you see a page like this, then you have to go back and look for another template again. For example, this one. So as you can see, there is an instruction. You can duplicate this, okay, Notion workspace here. And then after that, create a super site using your new page as a Notion URL, and then paste this in site settings. So you can see there the instruction on how can you use this template for your Notion, okay, or how to use this for your Notion dashboard. And then you just have to edit a little. Okay, so that's how you choose or look for a template here, super site. Okay, so just follow the instructions. For example, this one, what you're going to do is to go back to your Notion. You have to get your Notion's URL, paste it right here, enter your Notion link here. Okay, paste this. And then you have to go to settings to get your link and then paste it right here. Then give your site a name. So as you can see, it's a valid link. And then after that, you can now click this create site and edit everything. Okay, so you can just do that to the following templates here. Feel free to edit. Now, if you think it's kind of hard for you to do that, then you can just go back to Notion, because Notion itself has or offers free templates. If you don't like to purchase, then you have to look for the free ones. Of course, you should see this get this template instead of purchase this template. For example, this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to click this get this template, and you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing or loading. So the good thing is that Notion has this free template, and all you have to do is to just edit this. As you can see, they have this freelance business. So if you run a business, then this one is very useful for you. As you can see, we have here cover photo. I'm going to add or change the cover photo here. Okay, so you can get from gallery, you can upload, get from Pinterest, create your own using Canva, or link if you want to copy and then paste it right here, or go to Unsplash and look for something which is related to your template. For example, this one, okay? And then you can reposition this. Now, as easy as this one, we have here client, project, and all you have to do is to edit everything. For example, you just have to simply delete this and change the name, okay? We have here project, client, email, contact person, status. Then you can just simply add something here or rearrange this one. Everything is up to you. For example, if you want to change the client or For example, this one, the email. So you just have to delete this one and then add the client's email here. Same goes with the contact person. You just have to delete this and then change the name of the contact person. Also for status, if it's active or not. Okay, so you can do this for the rest of the features and options right here. Okay, so for example, this one, you can add more or you can go back. Okay, and then proceed to the other section. Okay, so same goes with the project. Okay, below. If you want to change the pictures and the images, it's pretty easy. Okay, for example, this one, I changed this to stuff and then change the client's name, contact person, okay, project. Okay, you can do that to the following. So we have here marketing, we have here staff, and you can add more. Okay, you just have to click this plus icon and you can add more. Okay, so we have also options here, like if you want to change the emojis or icons, like for example, this one, so that it would be easier for you to know that this one is the marketing head or staff. You just have to go to icons and change that. Second, we have here if you want to change the picture or the cover, you just have to delete first the cover and then you have to download cover or create a cover first and import this to your Notion. Okay, as you can see, there is a files and media there. Then you can just simply add that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You just have to delete this and then add a file or image. I got this from my gallery or my PC. Okay, so like this. And then when you go back, it totally changed the cover. You can do that to the following years, the second one, the third one. You have your task. So if you want to change the task here, it's already, given. So you just have to delete this. And once it's done, all you have to do is tick this box. So let me change this, delete this. Okay, delete. And then replace it with the task that you want for your customer, for your client, for your staff. Okay, so as you can see, I changed this to Celine. Okay, so you just have to type the name. And then we have here project, and you can change that due date, you can change that priority, you can change that. Okay, that's the good thing about this free templates here in Notion. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is to edit. Okay, project, you can change or you can tap from any of the project title that you have created. Okay. And same thing with the due date. You can change the due date by just tapping it, and then the calendar will just pop up automatically and change the due date of this project. Okay, so also we have here like priority. As you can see, we have here priority. And you can change that to high, medium, and low, but you can also change the name that to priority or not. Everything is up to you. Okay. So you can change that. Delete this, change the status. Okay, very easy. You can add a more if you want. You just have to tap this plus icon beside priority. If you want to add something like date, multi-select, person, files and media, calendar, and so on. Okay, so that's pretty easy, right? And then you have created your template already. Okay, and then you just have to edit more and then fix this. Okay, actually, if you think that there are some features here that are necessary, then you can just simply delete that. Okay, so I have here my invoice. You can edit that by tapping this three dots, change, rearrange the following here. Okay, and yeah, if this one is not necessary, you can drag this, tap this nine dots aside, and delete. Okay, and that's it. So above, you can see here, okay, this one also, you can delete this one. Okay, if it's not necessary, of course. And then you can go back and change everything here. For example, the codes or welcome message, you can change everything. Okay. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create a professional website with Notion with the help of this free templates, or you can create your own. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.